All right, we're at Gulfway Plaza in Houston, Texas on 8320 Gulf Freeway. And we got a rare vintage elevator in Houston with these rare stainless steel GAL fixtures I've never seen before. And it's an Esco. This is my second old vintage Esco I found in Texas. This one's from 1967, while the one at the Schaefer Anderson building in downtown Bryan is from 1959. Hanny and Lee have both filmed this elevator just a couple weeks ago. I'm so glad I finally get to see this thing myself. All right, let's ride, here we go. Starts with a bump. It's a little bit rough too. I don't think I've ever seen this kind of fixtures before. I mean, actually, I've seen these fixtures on the Westbrook elevator at the Imagination Station Museum in Wilson, North Carolina. This is worth filming. I didn't even know this was here. I didn't even know we had this elevator here in Houston. I thought the shaft light was on. Looks like a door disease. Down to one. Very smooth and quiet. All right, I'm gonna let it close. The elevator door is kind of a bit rough, so I'm probably not gonna take too much ride on this thing because I do not want to disrupt the tenant by the slamming doors. Because the doors move kind of a bit loud, but I'll get a much more detailed cab view. This is so worth filming. This is worth checking out. Though I no longer reside in Sugar Land anymore since I've moved, like I said, I don't want to say where I'm moving to, but maybe later on as the year goes on. But by the time I upload this video and I'm able to share where I'm living in, I'll leave it in the description below. But anyways, I just didn't even know we had this old vintage elevator here in Houston until both Hanny Elevator Times and Lee the Elevator Geek have discovered this thing. So huge credit goes to both of them. This is worth filming. I have never seen these kind of fixtures on an Esco elevator before. Here's your phone right here. Interesting button right there. That looks like an overseas concave Otis elevator button. That the push for help button that is. I think I might go for a one more ride, and then after that, we're gonna end. So let's listen to the motor. Here we go. No floor indicator. All right, back down to one end there. loud the door slams. See, this is why I don't want to take far too much rides, because I don't want to disrupt the tent. But I love these fixtures. Some sort of GAL. Hear the relays too. Epic. You see the machine doors locked like always. In case I want to ask if anyone asks if I'm going to the machine room, no, I am not. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and that is going to be it.